Hey guys, hopefully you can hear me over the battery charger. Here's the 6610. Finally got my ignition switch, which came in this box here. Yeah, it was sent out the 29th. I believe today is the 7th. And yeah, it was first class mail, and it only takes a couple days. But it was sent out in Rochester mail, like around town, Rochester. The driver ended up noticing it was not supposed to be in Rochester downtown mail. So 3 days later, I ended up getting it down here, finally delivered where it was supposed to be. So yeah. Anyways, I robbed the carburetor off this one. If anybody needs parts or anything like that, or the I can't remember what the hell that fucking thing is. There's a name for it, I just can't think of it. That or the electric starters that are on it, that are, give me a minute here. Yeah, like that. Let me know. I'll sell them to them. But battery's a little weak, so I'd charge it. So, best investment ever made on eBay. 20 bucks for that. Best thing. I've had it for over 3 years, and it's just great investment. That's all I can say. But yeah. So there's the ignition switch. The original one looks exactly like the 12 over here. Sorry guys, I got a window around here. See? It's exactly the same. I gotta spray some WD-40 on this one because it likes to get stuck when you turn it over. So, but it's alright. I would do a cold start on it, but it's got no gas in it, so, but hopefully you guys can see. But alrighty guys, I just figured I'd let you know there was a new ignition switch on the 10, so alright, take care.